Welcome everyone. The Sewing Room Declutter Challenge has officially begun for 2026. I'm Karen Brown of Just Get It Done Quilts, and together we're going to clear out the unwanted, the unwelcome, and the no longer necessary to make room for a creative 2026. If you're new to the challenge, welcome. The first couple of days are all about reclaiming your sewing space and setting a gentle, manageable pace so that you don't burn out on day 3. Think of today as starting to blaze a trail, but slowly, right back to your workspace. And of course, having some music, an audiobook, or one of my podcasts playing in the background can help keep the momentum going. So today on day 1, it's garbage. So grab your timer and set it to 15 minutes. Then grab your garbage bins, because today we are asking ourselves one of the simplest questions: is this garbage? Garbage usually takes a few passes, so start with some easy wins. All those old flyers and newspapers, all the packing material, and leftover wrapping paper. Then move on to a second pass. Any broken items, empty cartons, expired coupons and calendars, Post-it notes you no longer need, and all the mail or receipts that you set aside to deal with later. And don't forget to look up, look down, look behind doors, look in drawers and on shelves. And garbage can be disguised as pretty little boxes too. So if you've done this challenge before, you know that I like to work in batches of 20. So you grab items and you count up to 20, and then you start again. I find this helps give a rhythm to my work, and it also makes me focus because I'm always trying to get to that 20. And it's amazing what you can find hiding in plain sight. Remember, today you are only asking yourself that one question: is this garbage? If you find yourself asking some other ones, put those items aside. We're going to deal with them on another day. And if you are lucky enough to have more than one area in your home that you sew, check those other spots too. And you can repeat this task in other rooms in your home. Just remember to use your timer and to take breaks. Today we have a second task, and that is to reclaim your sewing machine. Quite often we just dump things over it during the holidays, but maybe you had to pack it up and put it into a corner. It's time to get it out. And maybe yours is more of an archaeological dig. You've had to move, or you've just been stuffing your room filled with stuff. You know the sewing machine's in there somewhere, but you're just not sure where. So this part is about making a place to sew. It's not organizing, it's not sorting, it's not getting lost in a sewing project. You just set your timer for that 15 minutes, then anything that's in your way, you just push to the side. We're going to deal with that stuff on another day. So then you're going to clear and wipe down your work surface. Then you're going to wipe down your machine, check that you have power, check that you have light. And once you've made this space, then I want you to think about a declutter challenge project. For you, it might be a UFO, or maybe it's something brand new. In the past, I have done both. I've made a pillow right from scratch. I've made a quilt out of remnants. And last year, I just did fast finishes to get things off my UFO list. It's your space, your room. You do what works for you. But the key point is to be working on a project that excites you. So you've just completed day 1. So I'm going to give you a gold star. Now that you've had the thrill of finishing a task, you might feel tempted to jump into a drawer, pull everything out, and start organizing. That is the road to burnout. So be strict with yourself. First we declutter, then we organize. If already this challenge is feeling a bit overwhelming for you, take a breath. Every journey starts with a first step. And remember, you're not alone. This is a community of thousands. Use your timer, be sure to take breaks, share your progress, and know that we are all in this together. So now it's your turn. Tell me, what was the oddest piece of garbage that you found today? Share it down in the comments below, or share a picture in the Facebook group or on Instagram with this year's hashtags. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 2.